Bollywood stars have been known for their peculiar styles apart from their acting skills. Be it their fashion styles or be it their hatke habits that makes them different from the others. Here's a certain confession made by a few Bollywood stars. These stars had confessed about this happening in their lives at a public platform, and it does not take courage to do that. Here are the 10 mind-blowing confessions that might leave you uncomfortable. Number 1 is Kareena Kapoor Khan. Bollywood stars are known for their style statement and their varied clothes statement. But Kareena Kapoor had once said that she doesn't wash her jeans for around 1 month. She also said that she feels comfortable sleeping in a flight wearing a pair of jeans that's Mormon. Second is Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor has once admitted that he had cheated his lady love, and this was out of immaturity, inexperience, and while feeling like taking advantage of certain temptation. We wonder if it was Deepika Padukone when whom Ranbir cheated. If so, it was truly an immature decision. Third is Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan, the national heartthrob, was once a kid who was bullied by all other kids around. Due to this stammering problem, he once confessed that stammering had ruined his childhood. Fourth is Sonam Kapoor Ahuja. Sonam Kapoor had once confessed that the reason she doesn't wear a bikini is doesn't have a flawless bum and arms. However, later she wore bikini in films like Bewakoofiya and Veere Wedding Letter. Fifth is Govinda. Govinda has once admitted that he had an extramarital affair, but certain things are better kept secret. Sixth is Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt, the Bollywood newest most successful face, once confessed she sleeps keeping her lights on as she is scared of darkness. Seventh is Sidharth Malhotra. Sidharth Malhotra has once confessed that it was boring to kiss Alia Bhatt because it was too technical and we have to take care of the angle of our lips. He also said that he will enjoy kissing Deepika Padukone. This is Kalki Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin had once confessed that she was sexually abused as a child and maintained silence for long. This is Vidya Balan. Vidya Balan has once confessed in an award function that she had bribed the officials while registering her new house in Khar. She also said that she will never do it again. This 10th one, that is Chitrangana Sen. Chitrangana Sen has once confessed that she was sexually harassed when she was studying in Delhi University. Stay tuned for more updates.